The impact of the proposed shutdown is not only about shutdown itself, but also about the effect the proposal is having on the dictator and his plans. Sandapena mashoko ari kuda panapa kunzi aiwa panguva inoyo pari kupisa shutdown yamangwana iyo, people they've get keen interest yekuda kunyatsa kuziva kuti vakomana tichazvikwanisa here izvi kana kuti the plan yaGeza ichasucceed here. Not subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti munapo yendo yahupo anoda nyora chiti. During the liberation struggle, war combatants would make announcement on ZANU-C Voice of Zimbabwe, which broadcast from Maputo. This would throw Ian Smith and his goons into disarray as panic set in. Anything that forces the dictator to reset his ways is welcome. Something has to change, but change doesn't happen on its own. The public display of disrespect by Mnangagwa was rooted in the belief that nobody could challenge him. It is good to see someone finally doing so. Mnangagwa's efforts to consolidate power and extend his presidency unconstitutionally must be challenged, not only because they are undemocratic, but because they will prolong the suffering of Zimbabwean citizens and deepen the rot he has authored. He has paid some people to yell on his behalf, but that yelling is irrelevant if hospitals remain dilapidated, youths remain unemployed, homes lack clean drinking water, supermarkets are shutting down, and more. It remains nothing but cheap propaganda. Ordinary citizens do not care who is in power as long as they have the basic necessities of life. But in Zimbabwe, citizens go to bed hungry. Ndomashoko ari kuda panapa anyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa Geza zvaari kuita zviri right. Panapa zviya zvichipupurwa panapa nevakomana macritics vari kuda panapa vachiti aiwa Geza vanhu they've accepted kuti aiwa this politics yenyika yeZimbabwe it has been captured, we do not have any power. But muchinge maona opportunity yemunhu anouya kumirira akaita saGeza panguva inoyi, vanhu munofanira kutomubetsera kuti agenda yaari kupusha ikwanise kuva accomplished. Tuzive mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chikana comment section medu. Mafungiro enyu, musanga subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.